Hello, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to import files into Adobe Premiere. This may be your first time using Adobe Premiere and you don't know how to do it. I will now show you how to do it. Open the project window. Here will be all the files that we import into Adobe Premiere. To add them here we have two ways. The first way, you double click on empty space in the project window. And then specify the path where file is located. The second way is when you drag and drop a file from the folder into a project window. That's it. Now you can add this file to your sequences and work with it. If you were wondering how to import files in Adobe Premiere, this is the easiest way now. If you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.